very different due to the coronavirus. Even though we can't do the news altogether, the show, news must go on, so keep checking for new videos on Plymell News. So in conclusion, even though some things are different, some things stay the same.
Next week it will get even warmer by going into the low 80s, but then we'll drop back down to the 60s.
Hi News, I'm here with my dad going to try a cookie I made for the Hudson Cream Flour Contest and got second place.
These cookies are the world's best chocolate chip cookies. They're chewy. They have about a bite of chocolate chip in every bite. And they're just delicious.
Today I'm making strawberry spring cake pops. I made the strawberry cake, it's over here. Just need to let it cool and then we'll get started on our cake pops. So this cake came out perfectly, so I'm just going to get this one. It's not coming out nearly as, ooh, it's gonna come out. So I have my cake mix, some cream cheese, and then I mixed them in. I'm just gonna keep on mixing it in, and then yeah, I'll show you when I'm done. So first you make a ball with your cake pop. And then you take a skewer. I don't know what kind of skewers these are. They're bamboo skewers, small ones. Take that off.
What's in that bowl?
It's melted white chocolate. Then you dip it in there so it's easier. Place it in a styrofoam or foam block. Then just repeat that until you have done with all of your cake mix. All done with them. Let's put them in the fridge, then ice them. We'll come back and see you. We have chilled cake pops, 4 different colored sprinkles, and some white chocolate. Let's get started. First, you take a cake pop. Since most of mine have been breaking, I'm going to drizzle over them. After you do that, then you will dip them in some colors of sprinkles. Place them here. And you're done.
My sister is reading the book, even though she doesn't know how to read. She's just looking at pictures. Elena's doing a puzzle. It's a Lucky Charm puzzle. Okay, so here's something that's red. Oh, I found it. They're red, blue, and yellow in my yard.
The base needs tightened, so it sounds pretty bad.
Hello, people persons. I'm in a closet. And I'm reading a book. Diary of a Night War. Good book, good book.
minutes later. A few minutes later.
Hi, my name is Rick Basham. I'm going to show you how to make chocolate crinkles, which the recipe came from my granny and papa. Now I'm going to put this chocolate in that double burner to make sure I get the 4 ounces of chocolate. Now I'm putting in the chocolate so it'll burn. Well, not burn, but melt. Now I'm getting my 2 cups of sugar. Half cup of oil. The vanilla. And like after now, add the chocolate. Now mix in your 2 cups of flour. After your flour is mixed, put in your baking powder. Half a teaspoon of salt.
What'd you do?
Put the thing in here. Now refrigerate it for 3 hours. Make sure you clean everything up. Kitchen's a happy kitchen! Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your thing, you're going to put a little bit more on it. You're going to take it out. You're going to roll it. You're going to drop it in the powdered sugar. Roll it around a little. And then put it on your thing.